Hello traders, just want to give you a quick update on silver. Also guys, if you're getting value out of my videos, if you have gained some benefit out of my videos, then please don't forget to hit a like button. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. I work really hard to make a video for you guys every single day, and just to keep you guys updated with the market condition. It will also keep me going, motivates me to make more videos for you guys. If you remember, in my last analysis we were waiting for the double bottom condition here, which we have, and we have this double bottom in goal for entry getting ready. So let's go back in my previous video and quickly check what I've said, and I'll come back in a moment. It won't be long. For this level, unless we have an entry condition like a double bottom entry here, or we have an engulfer entry. Exactly. Patience is the key. Remember guys, only take a trade when we have an entry condition. So right here, according to me, we have an entry condition. We are still waiting for this candle to close above this level, this little wick here. I'm looking this candle on 4-hour chart. So just keep an eye. We have a similar entry as we took on gold yesterday, and we had our target hit already on gold, and now silver gave us a similar entry, a double bottom entry, which is getting ready according to me. Once this candle is closed, or if this candle goes back here, there will be possible sign of downtrend. Let's keep an eye on this move. We have a nice entry getting ready, and once this candle closes, we can take our targets. At least, let's say that if the candle closes here, I'll give you guys a rough idea. Then I'll take profit. I'll put my stop loss at 2180, take profit at 22780. So that would be my targets for this trade once we have this condition ready. Again guys, take this trade on your own risk. Make sure you have read the disclaimer. This is my opinion about the market, and this is how I trade. If you have any questions, just leave a message, just leave a comment down below, or you can always send a message on Instagram. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and I hope you trade green rest of the week. Till then, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video.